How can you inspire website visitors to turn into your social media followers? In this video, we'll show you how. Even on some of the world's best and most beautiful websites, it can be hard to find where to follow along on social media. You have to scrounge through to their About page, scroll down to the bottom footer, and sometimes it's just not even there. But with the social media campaign, you can put following along on social front and center. Here's how. So your first step within the pop-up is to select the social template. It's as easy as that. Then all you'll need to do is name your campaign, decide which website you'd like it to load on, and you can start building. You're going to want to customize this campaign to reflect the message that you share with your audience. So you're going to want to obviously change the image to be your face if you have a personal brand or your brand's logo. And for your header and subtext, make sure not to share a message like follow me, because your website visitor doesn't want to follow you. They want to get value that will help them for their life. So take that into consideration when you're editing the text on this campaign. And once that's done, you can make any formatting changes that you'd like to do, such as changing fonts, font sizes, colors, etc., to make it really fit your brand. Once you've made those final design changes over in the editor, all you have to do is click on each individual button to link to your personal Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter profile. Each button is already pre-configured to open in a new window to each platform when clicked upon. The only thing you need to edit is the individual URLs with your handles for each of the platforms. So once you've completed the individual URLs, you'll just need to go to Display Rules. And once you're in Display Rules, this is where you're going to decide where this campaign should show. And you might want to show it on specific blog articles where you're really connecting with your audience, or you might want it on your homepage. Another great place is on your About Me page. Anywhere where it seems like your web visitors are trying to connect with you, this would be a great place to put your campaign. In the summary, you'll see if the display rules are correct. And for this particular campaign, you don't need to integrate with your email marketing service provider because you're not generating any leads. We can also use OptinMonster Analytics, and we'll finally just go to the Publish tab, toggle from paused to live, make sure to save our campaign, and we can preview our campaign. And this gives you an idea of how it would display on your site. Try using a display rule to show this campaign to returning visitors. They're obviously back for more and will probably want to follow you on social.